Alright guys, welcome to the channel today. Welcome to the vlog. If you would, go down below, hit that subscribe button for me if you're not already. We got the drone out. We're flying above the job. We're checking things out. We're fixing to do some tree killing with the 853 John Deere track cutter and the 718 rubber tire buncher from Tigercat. Get ready. Here we go. Alright, so I know it's extremely hard to see what's kind of going on here, but we're in the thinning track that we're working in this particular area. Now you'll be able to see really good, but you see in this particular area, you see all of these stuff laying down on the ground, and it was slowing me up so bad I actually had to get Matthew to get on the 718 buncher that we have, the Tigercat 718 rubber tire. And he had to come down there and work in the little bit better standing stuff while I worked this. If you notice in that first little clip, as we're backing out with the drone, you can see how open it is in that one area. We basically done what I would call a residential thin in that one area. That one area probably didn't have but like a 30 or 40 basal area by the time we got all the broke tops, leaning trees, and snags and stuff that was blowed down on the ground. You can see how bad that tree right there, how bad it leaned over and into that better tree that's whipping back and forth. And then it ended up breaking it too, or bending it. So that tree had to go. But anyway, so if you can't see the best in the world, it's still a thinning track, and that's what's going on here. Is I'm picking up all of this broke, blown down, messed up debris. Basically what left of what I guess you'd call debris. But anyway, so that's what's going on here, is we're picking up all this blowed down stuff, and it basically is a super thin area, almost a clear cut in the middle of this this stand. It's crazy how the winds were whipping in certain areas harder than others, because I mean, this was the only spot on the track that was tore up like that. On this side, anyway. The other side was tore up pretty good too, and y'all can see right there where the high rotating wrist, the 340 degree wrist, is a lifesaver. Even in the thinning, it's hard to untangle that mess, but it's a lifesaver. So, and any of the big trees that you see being cut, even though it's hard to tell from this angle right here, they were probably bent. So anyway, y'all enjoy the video. Make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go find a t-shirt. Links down below in the description, and I also pin it to the first comment in the comment section. Y'all go get you a t-shirt. Thank y'all for continued support. If you're not already subscribed, like I just asked, go subscribe. Hit that like button. Got a question? Leave me a comment down below, and we'll do our level best to give y'all a good answer. Thanks. Enjoy the video. Alright, so what we're doing here, I put y'all out there on you're actually riding on the window right now, on the outside of the cutter, and letting y'all ride for a little bit, showing y'all some of this other stuff that I was having to pick up a little bit later in the day. This area in particular was really bad with like broke tops and stuff because it had a lot of forks in it. And you can see how dead everything is. You see all the pine straw and everything's brown. Those tops that are facing that way, this is the fun part here. See, I have to turn this away because these tops that I'm fixing to pick up that are completely brown, those are from Hurricane Laura. Now and you saw how easy it just snapped the top, and that is absolutely aggravating. These tops facing this way, they got a little bit of green still left in them. Those are from Hurricane Delta. So your trees are blown in two different directions, and you can see how easy it keeps. It's so brittle now, and it just keeps breaking up in the head. Plumb aggravating. We got a little clip coming up here in a second, so I'm going to show y'all. It's super irritating. I mean, even more irritating than that mess breaking up like that. And then I'm having to regather even shorter pieces, because if it's 16 feet and with a 3-inch top, which, see that there, it broke on up, but if it's 16 feet with a 3-inch top, we have to pick it up and merchandise it and sell it to the mill. Okay, so here what we're going to be doing is same thing basically, but we're a little bit further down the down road now. We're not in the really bad forked area, but y'all watch what's fixing to happen. So we cut this one tree, and we're gonna knock some bushes down and go in there and cut another tree. We're gonna swing back over here. We're gonna track up. There's a broke top there. We're gonna have to pick it up from the other down road when we go on down there. We reach out, we cut that tree in the middle, just knock that dead top out of the way and break it up, get it out of the way, and boom, look what happened. Now that what just fell, that was out of an existing top. That one that I just cut right there, my tops hung that tree, and you saw how easy it snapped it out. It's because these trees are so damaged now, they're so weak, they're so brittle, it's snapping out really easy.